Yeah, just a quick brush. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm not painting it, so there's no point in painting this. Let's put a new bearing in here. SKF 6008 2RS, either a 1 or a 3, preferably the 1. That's the, I believe, the clearance within the ball to race clearance, but 6008 is the actual dimensions, and the 2R or the 2RS is race seal, so it's got a seal on each side, and you want the rubber seal, not the metal seal. Oh yeah, brand new SKF. I already have one snap ring in here. I didn't take the other side out, so we're just going to need to tap this in. It's a light press fit. And then you want to tap on the race. Outer race. It's got quite a ways to go now. I'm gonna have to go to the press. It's supposed to have been a light press fit, but it is tight. Alright, it is pressed in, lightly pushed up against the other snap ring. No point in showing you the press. You've seen me do stuff before. Now we want to squeeze this ring. Using my Lang internal snap ring tool. Make sure it's clean. And then let it expand. Come on, get down in your groove. Or is it in the groove? It's not. There's that one. Just don't hit the seal. There we go. New bearing, ready to go. Pull this seal off. You see how the seal goes on here? Onto the right side. That's for the CV cup. The seal goes on all the way down. Then on this side, this goes in to the bearing because it mounts on the engine like this, on the right side of the car. And that's probably going to have to get pressed in. And that will push right down on the center of the cup. Now, the question is it far enough down? That seal's not touching right there, so I don't think it is. That seal needs to touch. You see right down in there that retaining clip groove is right on the other side of the bearing race, which is right where we want it. I mean, I could probably go, I may go another millimeter or so on it. A little bit of a gap still there, and kind of need a little bit more clearance for that clip. You can see some of the races extending over that edge of that groove right there up against the bearing race. It looks a little better. Let's go see if the clip will fit. Alright, it's on there. Now I just need to tap it down. There it goes. Feels a little tight. You know what? I think I'm going to tap that a little bit on this side to see if I can knock it down a little bit. There we go. Because that clip should be up against that race. There we go. Shouldn't have been that tight. Brand new bearing, ready to go. There is a O-ring that goes right here. That needs to be replaced. That's from a grease seal for the mid shaft. I've got to find one to fit it. That goes around. I mean, that one's not bad. I might be able to reuse that one. I don't know. But that seals the splines from getting water in them and resting on there. Just like that. Now the water will get up in here and go back in like that. It's a little out of round, and then when we reassemble it under the engine, we can go ahead and work that on there. We'll leave it on here for now. This is done. This is ready to go.